Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to install or enable your joystick for Panzer Dragoon Remake game. So let's start. Open your Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, in my case, then download Xbox 360 CE emulator. Click download for all games. It will enable it for 64-bit games and 32-bit games, so no need to worry about that. Once you have downloaded it, go to your folder, downloads, and you will have X360 CE. So before you install that, you have to open it and extract to your Steam folder where the game is installed. In my case, it's Windows Disk C, Program Files x86, Steam Applications, Steam Apps, Open Common, and go to Panzer Dragoon Remake. You'll have to extract that X360 here. So yeah, once you have done this, open the file and you will see this menu, but in the beginning you will have to choose here Xbox 360 CE.exe. Then you'll have to add the game on the top, so click the plus sign, then choose your game from Steam application where it's installed, click open. It will appear and then you'll have to click add. Just click controller 1 and click add here. So I have done this before. You just have to choose your controller. It will be displayed either it's PlayStation or Xbox. Just in my case it's controller GC100. Yeah, you will see it. Click add selected, and then you will notice that the joystick picture becomes brighter than before. And all you have to do is don't close this application, just click here and then start the game. So once you have installed it from Steam, you will be able to play it, but not all people are able to play it on joystick, so you don't want to use your keyboard. That's why just wait a little bit. It will take some time, and yeah, here you go. You can play the game. So enjoy.